Right. Today I am going to discuss about the symmetry of flowers. Generally, the flowers are classified into three types based on the structure. Okay. Here, the flowers, symmetry of flowers are classified into three types based on the structure. Based on the structure, the flowers are classified into three types. The first one is actinomorphic flowers. Actinomorphic flowers. Second one is zygomorphic flowers. So next, third one is asymmetric flowers. Asymmetric flowers. So here the symmetry of flowers. The flowers are classified into three types based on the structure. Based on the structure, actinomorphic flowers, zygomorphic flowers, asymmetric flowers. In actinomorphic flowers, these actinomorphic flowers also called as radial symmetry, and zygomorphic flowers is also known as bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. Okay. So these are other names of the actinomorphic flowers. Actinomorphic flowers are similar to the radial symmetry. Zygomorphic flowers are similar to the bilateral symmetry. That is third one is asymmetric flowers. There is no any symmetry in the asymmetric flowers. Now, so one by one I am going to explain about the one by one, that is the actinomorphic flowers. Okay, na? See here what is the definition of actinomorphic flowers. Actinomorphic flowers. See here, actinomorphic. Actinomorphic flowers. What is the definition of the actinomorphic flowers? When a flower can be divided into two similar parts or similar equal parts. So when a flower can be divided into two similar parts or equal parts in any vertical plane, in any vertical plane passing through the center. Okay, na? So this is the definition of the actinomorphic flowers. So when a flower can be divided into two similar parts or equal parts in any vertical plane, passing through the center. So this is the definition of actinomorphic. Okay, na? So see, this is the diagram here. So this is a flower. So here this is the flower diagram. In the center, that is the gynoecium is there. This is the gynoecium. Here stamens are there. These are stamens. So this is the flower. See here, when a flower can be divided into two similar parts. For example, this flower it can be divided into that is the two equal parts. So this is one part and this is the second part. From the in any vertical plane passing through the center. From this side it can be divided into two equal parts from this side. So from this side if you cut like this flower that is two equal parts will get. From this side you will cut this flower, equal parts will get. Okay na? Right. This is the actinomorphic flowers. Means two similar parts or equal parts in any vertical plane passing through the center. Any vertical plane that passing through the center, the flower can be divided into two equal parts, that is called actinomorphic flowers. So what are the examples of these actinomorphic flowers? Example, that is hibiscus. Second one is datura, and third, that is first example, that is hibiscus, datura. So these two are examples for the actinomorphic flowers. So next, capsicum is also example. Capsicum is the example for actinomorphic flowers. So in our NCERT book, that is the datura is example given for the, that is actinomorphic flowers. So this is the NCERT textbook, they given example for actinomorphic, that is the datura. And capsicum is also given example in NCERT book. This is the capsicum, it is a scientific name of chili. Okay na? So this is the, these are three are examples for the actinomorphic. Next, one more example is given in the NCERT book, that is the brassica. So this is the in NCERT book, that is that mustard plant flowers are example for the actinomorphic flowers. So in NCERT book, that actinomorphic flowers examples are given, that is the mustard flowers, datura flowers, and the capsicum flowers. These three are example for the actinomorphic flowers. So next, what is the zygomorphic flowers? Zygomorphic flowers. Zygomorphic, second type of flower, that is the zygomorphic flowers. What is the definition of zygomorphic flower? So when a flower can be divided into two similar parts or two equal parts from any one plane vertical plane passing through the center. So this is the definition of zygomorphic. when a flower can be divided into two similar parts or two equal parts from any one vertical plane passing through the center. This is the zygomorphic flowers. Okay, na? The zygomorphic flowers are similar to bilateral symmetry. Okay, na? So this is a zygomorphic. A flowers are divided into two similar parts or two equal parts from any one vertical plane passing through the center, that is a zygomorphic flowers. So what are the examples of zygomorphic flowers? That is, the first one is pisum. It is the scientific name of pea plant. So next, one more example is there, that is the dolichos. This is the scientific name of beans. So next, these two are examples for the zygomorphic flowers. Pea plant flowers are example, that is the example for the zygomorphic. Bean plants flowers are example for the zygomorphic flowers. Next, cassia and gulmohar. So gulmohar is the example for the zygomorphic flowers. So in our NCERT book, pea plant is given. NCERT, the textbook, that is a pea plant is given, and bean plant flowers are given. Then cassia plant flowers are also given in the NCERT. So this one is a NCERT book, that is the examples are given for the zygomorphic. And cassia, this one example is also given in the NCERT book. So next, gulmohar is also example are given in the NCERT textbook. Okay, na? Right. So generally the zygomorphic flowers examples, pisum, dolichos, cassia, gulmohar. Gulmohar is the, what is the scientific name of gulmohar? Deinonyx is the scientific name of gulmohar. These all examples are given in the NCERT book. Okay, that is these are examples for the zygomorphic flowers. Okay, na? So here in zygomorphic flowers, the flowers can be divided into two similar parts or two equal parts from any one vertical plane. In actinomorphic flowers, any vertical plane passing through the center, but here any one vertical plane passing through the center. Okay, so this is the example for the zygomorphic flowers. So next, third type of flowers are called asymmetric flowers. Asymmetric flowers. So what is the definition of asymmetric flowers? When a flowers cannot be divided into two similar parts. Okay, na? So this is the definition of asymmetric flowers. When a flowers cannot be divided into two similar parts, that is the asymmetric flowers. What are the examples of asymmetric flowers? That is canna. Canna is the example for that is asymmetric flowers. Okay, na? So this is the third type of symmetry of flowers based on the structure, Okay, na? So this is the brief explanation about the symmetry of flowers. Okay, right. Thank you.